You can't return that ugly sweater to us, but you can return your vehicle for thousands in trade-in cash, plus a $1,000 in regift cash.
Did you get socks, fruitcake, or another cooking tool you'll never use? We've all been there.
But here's a gift you'll actually love. Our dealership just launched the official regifting event.
They're paying top dollar for the vehicle sitting in your driveway right now.
And everyone who participates unlocks instant regift cash.
They're calling it the Wishlist Fulfillment Grant, and everyone qualifies.
Here's how it works. We are authorized to pay massive premiums on every single trade-in.
We're talking thousands of potential dollars for your current car, truck, or SUV.
And here's the best part. Everyone who participates receives a gift.
I just submitted my vehicle info online. It took less than 30 seconds.
And every single person instantly unlocks $1,000 in regifting cash.
That's real money applied directly to my deal. No strings attached.
Think of it as the money you should have gotten for the holidays.
And remember, this appraisal is completely confidential and obligation-free.
You don't even have to buy a new vehicle. The dealership will buy your vehicle outright and write you a check on the spot for its value.
Plus, this month's manufacturer incentives and finance rates are exceptional.
Combine your regifting cash with these offers, and you could upgrade for less than you're paying now.
But this is important. Regifting cash authorizations are limited.
But hurry, because once the event ends, these bonuses disappear completely.
If you're thinking of upgrading in the next 6 to 18 months, check your value now.
Click the Claim My Regift button below and unlock your bonus instantly.
It's time to swap that gift you didn't want for the ride you actually deserve.